Hello, my friends. It's Mr. Morrow here. I am coming to you from my bunker here at home. If you are in pod 2, I am very much looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday. If you're in pod 1, then give Mrs. Burnt a high five for being such a good teammate to me. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to take this map that we've created, our migratory map, and plug it directly and beautifully into our website. So what I need you to do in order to be able to successfully do that, I need you to find your map, and that's going to be in your Google Drive, right? Mine's under World Map. And if you'll remember, when I gave the demo before, I had us going from Emmaus to all the way to Australia for some reason, right? And I added text boxes and I threw a little color in there. And I'm very eager to see what you did on your maps. But I need you to be able to find that map, and that should be in your drive. The next thing I need you to do is go to your website. You're going to roll in on your website here, boop, and your home, and we're going to be in the editing mode as we usually are when we arrive at our websites. But then I need you to roll over to a different page. So we don't want to be on the home page. We want to be on Migratory Locations page. What we're going to then do is we're going to take this space and we're going to fill it with the map, the beautiful map that we have created. And so what we're going to do in order to do that is take, we can go to images or we can go to drive, right? Let's see what image, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to go to drive. And you can click on world map or whatever you saved it as. And it will show up over here. You can see all of my docs that have the word map in it, but this is the one you want, and then you're just going to double click on that, and boom, it's going to show up in there. Look at that, beautiful. So it'll be useful for you to kind of move it around and make it look good there. Look at that, perfect. Now hopefully yours is a little more maybe colorful, or maybe we can work on that at some point, but this is what it's going to look like, right? And so this is Mr. Morrow's migration, but you are not studying Mr. Morrow. You're studying a caribou or an Atlantic sturgeon or a ruby-throated hummingbird. And so our goal is for you to have illustrated where it starts and where it ends. All right, very good. When you're done with that, we'll work on our websites a little bit more upon my return. I hope you're all doing well. I will see you soon, and keep up the good work. Bye.